Hey guys, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the wrap mode on Krita and how to use that to your advantage, how it works, and what it does. And it's so easy. So easy. It is ridiculously easy. Alright, so first things first, the wrap mode is a preview of your image in a tileable or repeatable background or texture or material, however you want to call it. And to access that, you're going to hit the W key. Sorry. Well, yeah, W key. And then obviously, no matter how many times I undo, it's not going to undo me selecting the wrap mode. Okay? The W key is just a toggle on and off. Now, if you don't have that set up, you can go to Configure Krita into Keyboard Shortcuts and type wrap. And then here you can hit Input and then just hit the W key and then hit OK. I already have that, so I don't have to worry about it. But just in case the new versions of Krita doesn't have that automatically set up for you, that's how you can fix that. Alright, so let's go ahead and make this really easy. We'll just put some squiggles, put some dots, put a, it looks weird, take that off. Put a heart here, I guess, you know, why not? Because it's spring, and everybody loves spring. Guess we'll go with that. Unless you're in Australia. I don't think it's spring there. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to just take the mirror tools off. And you could keep them on if you want. It's not going to hurt the wrap mode. I'm just, for visual purposes, I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to hit the W key. And automatically I can see it's wrapping and repeating on the material or texture or whatever. And it looks pretty cool. And the nice thing about this is I can keep editing this and it's going to update this live everywhere I go, and no matter where basically wherever I go on the screen here or the canvas. So I'm like, oh, let me put a circle here, see how that looks. Oh, let me put another squiggly line here, right? Now this is really helpful because when I hit the W key, you can see that I would never be able to get this the way I want to unless I use the mirror function, which would but it wouldn't look the same, right? So by being able to draw in the wrap mode, it's automatically going to piece that together for me by taking it out of the wrap mode, with like a sort of offset of that squiggly line, right? And that's pretty cool. And that means I can go ahead and design this how I want without worrying, oh, I gotta move this circle over a little bit more, and then maybe that'll line up better, you know. And I just really like that feature. I did use this once to make like a retro type background with like little stars and moons and stuff. So maybe I'll do a video next on making one from scratch with you guys. You can follow along if you'd like. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for the wrap mode. And, you know, the mirror functions still work. You can obviously erase. Ooh, you know, you can do whatever you want. The text might work, actually. I'm not sure. Let's try it out. Take it off wrap mode. And then I'll put... Sure, we'll just keep that. Save. Close. Move it. Kind of small. Ah, come on, let me move it. Let me move. There we go. Okay, so how does this look? I don't know if it's actually gonna work because it's a vector layer. So we'll just make this really big. 16. We'll make this. Sure. Save. Close. Yeah, unfortunately the text won't work the way. Oh wait, maybe it will because it's pretty big. No, it won't work. But that's okay. I mean, what you can do, I guess, is you can flatten it. Oops. Flatten there, and that might. Might not work as well. That's okay. That you might have to work with yourself a little bit, tweak it a little bit. but for the most part, I mean, it's still fun, pretty helpful. Alright, so that's it for this video and the rat mode. I know it's pretty short, but there really isn't that much to it. The only limitations is vector layers, I guess, and then whatever you do. Or, you know, it's on you. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can support me by donating to my Ko-fi. All links are in the description below. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, let me know in the comments, because I have one thing left to talk about in Krita, and I don't know if I have anything to talk about after. There might be. I'll have to look into it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.